The Toddler Sequencing Mini Kit is a fun way to build early math skills and emotional awareness through play. The size-up wooden peg puzzle might look simple to you, but will be captivating to your toddler. They'll be naturally motivated to work to get the pegs in order. All the pegs are the same color, so your child can easily focus on how the sizes compare. Once they've figured that out through lots of trial and error, they can learn to press the lever and watch the pegs crash down, and they'll want to repeat this again and again. The On the Farm Montessori Animal Match is an expansion of a play kit favorite from The Companion. Your child can work to match the three-dimensional animal in their hand to the picture on the wooden tile. We chose this specific set of animals because they each have an obvious animal sound, which toddlers love to repeat. This set includes a drawstring bag for storage and on-the-go fun. Rylan Says No is a relatable story with real photos that will help your child process their own big emotions. Rylan is having so much fun at the bounce house that he doesn't want to leave. Research shows that books with strong social-emotional storylines can help build empathy in children. You can talk about this story the next time your child is having a hard time leaving somewhere fun. It's everything you need right now to support your child's development.